Alright, just show you this. Armature chunks. Got a pan that's overflowing. Do what it'll do when that fills up now. You see the floats are up all the way. Really good. So, it's obviously old by the look of it. These can be removed, but don't need to do that. The valve here. Well, oh, that hasn't been turned around then. Right. You see, the valve is shut. Here's the valve. Give it flush, just get the water out of it. Right. There's a little click there, clicking. There you are. Pull up. It's a bit harder. Right, push fit connector there, just there, push that and come out. I'll show you now. Right, ideal standard, there's the part that we need. This is how it looks. It's slightly different, we modified it slightly, but the brackets, oh, come on, focus. The bracket's similar, very, very simple. The inlet, the float adjustments at the other side. I'll show you now. I'll show you the old one. This is the old part. It's discontinued. As you can see, it's a bit crusty. It's been in service a long time by the look of it. There are internal filters and flow restrictors there, which look like disintegrating. So, this is the new part. Instead of having the silencer tube there, it's down the bottom. Adjustment, they don't really need that much adjustment. The bracket sits on there. And you can see there's the flow restrictor in there as well. Very straightforward. Exactly the same thing. Slide it on. I always connect the pipe onto it first. Push fit. And slide it out. I don't know what's wrong with this camera, sorry people. A little bit of advice, just in case you do get, just to flush this out, because you never know. Sorry, alright, oh, come on. Yeah. Put it full ball, you want. Put this on. Anything that's in the pipe then, you see the slide, when it slides on. Turn him off now. And then I'll see if I can set my phone up somewhere so you can see. Right, so you see I took the bracket off, which I didn't really need to. At the back, it sits on it. But what you do is align the little things up. When I can get that thing in there. There's a screw there. It's not easy, right? It's not easy doing it one-handed, if I'm honest. Right, it slides into it, and that is it. She's in. Turn it on and off to go. As you see, I pull the thing up. Was it there? She stopped. So, float adjustment is there. But to answer you, more or less, they've got tall siphons in here, any auto siphons, so and that is it, folks. Dead simple.